Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. Today, I'll show you how you can set up Google Authenticator on your Bybit account to enhance security. Enabling two-factor authentication is one of the best ways to protect your crypto assets from unauthorized access. So begin by opening up Bybit application on your mobile device and log in to your account. From the home page of Bybit, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you open up this section, tap on the gear button at the top right, and this will open up User Center. Now, click on Security. Under Security, toggle on the button right next to Google 2FA Authentication. On the next page, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your registered email inbox. Open up your email service provider and open the email from Bybit. Copy the code inside it and get back to Bybit app and paste in the code in the verification box. Now, you need to install Google Authenticator on your device. Click on Continue and also make sure to download and install Google Authenticator. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Google Authenticator in the search box. Look for this application and download it on your device and open it up and sign in with your Google account's credentials. Get back to the Bybit application and copy the key that has been revealed. Tap on Copy Key to do so and get back to the Google Authenticator application. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom right inside Google Authenticator app and tap on Enter a Setup Key. In the Your Key field, paste in the key that you copied and in account name so that it can be recognizable, type in Bybit. Now click on Add. You can also choose the type of the key, choose if it is time-based or counter-based and click on Add at the bottom. Now once you do that, your Bybit account has been added inside Google Authenticator. Get back to the Bybit app again and click Next. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter the Google Authenticator generated code. Click on Get Code and you will be taken to Google Authenticator. Tap on the Bybit code and get back to the Bybit app and paste in the code. Soon after that, you have successfully set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Once you are done, your Bybit account will have Google Authenticator enabled, enhancing your account's security. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Authenticator to your Bybit account, keeping your crypto safer than ever. Always remember to keep your backup key in a secure place and do not share it with anyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.